In this video, I show you how to fix Google keep stopping problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Google, click on Google, update your Google app. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then see all apps. Now search Google, click on Google, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, then clear the storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Google app. Now I hope that this method fixed Google keep stopping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.